Before we start out the video, we got new merch drop, baby. We have UltraMotive new logo tie-dye t-shirts here. These are basically non-saturated, almost black and white. They got a little bit of blue in them, and it's really cool because every single t-shirt has a different design because tie-dye will never be exactly replicated in all of them. So they're super cool, repping the all new, brand new logo that we got right there. We still have the OG like U symbol, but this is also just another logo that we're going for with the brand, and I just think tie-dye adds on a super cool flavor. So go get them now while you can. I've made it back from Japan, and we are now here in beautiful, snowy Seattle area. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all the stuff that I got from Japan and putting on some of the parts onto my R32. And the first thing you might realize is that's not the R32, so that has to change. I really wish I could have had this thing in Japan with me, because now it actually feels wrong to drive this in the United States. It's just, this is not where it belongs. But at the same time, I mean, Japan has now made me fully appreciate this car 10 times more. This is literally, once again, my all-time favorite. Now that that's in there, we got one thing to do before we get started with our agenda, and that is an oil change. Hang on to it. I'm trying to show you guys, it's hard to see, but you guys see obviously my yellow dipstick, and you see that shiny black thing that's right next to it over to the left? That is the oil filter, and that's kind of a ways down there on the right side of the car, and we just basically got to get to that and take that off. It's time for the moment that you guys have all been waiting for. We're going to be doing a little unpacking and display of what all I got from Japan. Okay, I lied, because actually, first of all, I want to show you guys something that I didn't get from Japan. It actually got shipped to me. Alexander, I don't really want to pronounce that last name right there. He made this awesome GTR book where he flew all over the world and captured all the famous GTRs and the GTR owners. Larry Chen is in here, Tommy Efya is in here. So many great people, and all from the GTR family, which a lot of which I recognize, and the photos are just absolutely amazing. So go check out this book if you're a big GTR junkie. So first up, we have this Mines bag right here, and inside this is brand new Nismo shift knob that is carbon fiber. We're gonna be putting that on the car. A brand new R32 KH2 badge that's gonna go in the rear straight from the Nismo factory. We'll also be putting that on the car that's gonna replace mine that's all chipped up. Right here we have a Mines handbrake boot, which is really needed. Mine is really torn up. I'll show you guys when we install this bad boy as well. I think that's super sick because it says Mines. It's got red stitching to go along with my interior. And then a little Mines decal. From the HKS Technical Factory, we got an HKS towel, which I think is just really sick on this own. I'm probably just gonna keep it in the car and display it for shows and stuff. I'm probably rarely gonna use it because as much as a towel is supposed to clean things, I just don't really want to get this dirty. This is just so cool. Oh, check this out. We have a work bag. I'm keeping all these bags as well. That's what I love, is that you'll never be able to have an opportunity to have a work baggie like this. And in here, this is my work phone case. As you can see, it's got all the little individual work wheels on it engraved into the wood. And that signature right there is Daigo Saito, world champion drift racing driver right there. Ooh, top secret badge. So from the top secret booth at Toyota Auto Salon, I got two little garments right here. This is supposed to go around the gear shifter, and then this is supposed to go around the handbrake lever. And it's got white stitching too, which you can't go wrong with that. So these are really cool, especially with it saying top secret right there. But last but not least, probably the coolest piece is this carbon fiber front engine plate cover from Garage Source right there, the shop that Charles's R34 was built, as well as a bunch of other really cool Skyline GTRs. And this is just really going to clean up my engine bay in so many ways. You guys will see once we install it. And I love how it has their little logo implemented onto there. Just dry carbon. I didn't get anything crazy, but at the same time, I got a bunch of tiny little things that's gonna overall improve the car, and that's exactly what I wanted to get going into Japan. And that's why I'm really happy with it all. So let's put some of this stuff on. Alrighty, so the first piece is going to be the biggest one, and that is the carbon fiber engine plating cover. It goes right here and it covers up all this ugly mess and junk that's literally right in front of your face, especially for show engine display and all that stuff. So I'm gonna be really happy to have that right here. So first of all, we have to unbolt these little two bits right there, the little titanium things that we got from Titanium Works. Place this through here. Okay, the plate is on the car, and my gosh, that cleans up things so much. Even something as simple as this to install, I actually ran into some issues because basically once I got it on there, the hood wouldn't close, and it was basically blocking the latch. So what I did was I ended up tucking it under the front grille here, which is probably how it's supposed to be. I just didn't even know. And now I can at least close the hood with that. But check that out. That just freaking cleans up this setup. Now we just need a freaking strut bar. We gotta find one, guys. Friends have arrived. We got Austin here. I want to give you your present from the BN booth. BN stickers.
That's so sick.
Are they stuck together? Yeah, there's two. Okay. I was like, I got two.
Dude, thank you.
Yup, because he is BN Kid on a t-shirt.
That's dope.
Yeah, I saw those and I was like, ooh, I wish they had even bigger ones, but. And then 326 powered beanie. Yes! I mean, look at this. This guy's already rocking a beanie right now, and this is perfect.
I'm gonna put it on now because it sucks by like 20 degrees.
Alright, next up, we are gonna do the back badge and fix this thing up. You can see how it's all freaking dented, a little rusty, a little chipped and stuff. We got the brand new one from the Nismo factory. I'm gonna use the freaking tactic.
Down this wheel, can I have it?
Hey, put it back.
No.
I'm gonna be using the floss technique to try and get this thing off. Slowly floss like the not cool dance trend that happened a while ago, and work your way through. All right, we got the badge off. This is gross. Yeah, if anyone wants, I actually probably keep it myself. Actually, that's really good. Oh, never mind. Put it on the Miata, right on the front grille.
Use your head and just take off the beanie. Oh my god!
Yo, that's freaking.
Okay, it matches the Miata badge though. Tell me why it looks kind of sick.
You know what we should do? We should take that and then put that on my GTR badge or on my GTR.
Yeah, I like
Miata.
that plan. Yeah, okay.
Trade badges. All right, so now it's a GTR, right?
Yeah, it's got an RB20.
Okay.
RB18. Inline 4.
Wow, would you look at that? It's a GTST now. You see the difference between the two. They're both supposed to be KH2 gray, but this one's definitely faded over time. It's more of a brown, whereas this one's has more blue tint into it. And then this is a darker red, whereas this one's had more sunlight to get brighter, and it's all chipped up, so. This is gonna be very nice. So we got the tape here, so we know exactly where to place. I remember this is the edge of this and the top of that. So, I'm scared though, I don't want it to be crooked.
Well, just line it up on the tape right here and you'll be fine.
Yeah.
I mean, you did preliminary measurements already. Boom. There you go.
Yes!
Oh, okay.
Yeah, fuck
What? It is time for the interior pieces. I'm going to unbox here the brand new Nismo shift knob. If I can figure out how the heck.
The graph is like this.
It's a little tiny too. That's the thing.
What's up, boys?
But it says Nismo right on top, which is really freaking nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Pull the foreskin down.
Don't say that.
Alright.
Yo, Austin, are you Snip Gang? Are you Snip Gang, bro?
Here, I'm gonna put this on your Miata too.
I already have enough balls, I'm good.
Okay. This is why you gotta do installs with the Ultra Gang. Do, 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 do.
We're going to Gryffindor.
Putting freaking when he puts the freaking, what do you even call this? The shift boot. Shift boot.
Fuck it, beanie swap the shift boot.
Hell yeah. Dude, baseball bat the shift knob. Sit rep. The center console's gone. We're getting there slowly. We gotta get to this, and then we gotta get to the
He's doing a ball
replace that with that. Yeah, we're doing ball replacements right now. We've resorted to just straight up razor blading, cutting out the old handbrake lever, open handbrake surgery.
Him, scissor me.
Hot sun.
Oh, yeah.
Steady hand.
One day they'll have me perform on Yakuza box.
Yakuza bus.
Oh!
That's it.
Oh!
Oh, foreskin is gone.
God dang it.
Wiggly, bro.
Alright, we're good now, right? Let's leave it at that.
No, it's basically just
No! Yeah, it's a hydro stick now.
Hydro stick.
No, look, Jack. Do you see how much they cut through?
Holy jeez.
Come on, you've done this motion before.
on you.
You just leave it at that?
Don't fucking.
It's in gear, you dumb fuck.
Isn't it, dude? Is this in gear? Yeah, it's in gear.
I don't want to touch the mines with greasy hands.
Yeah, dude, you can't disrespect the mines. Last but not least, the best part, the HKS towel.
Can I take that to work?
What do you work again? At a pool, okay. You save all the children. The lifeguard, like, oh, here you go. He's like, oh, HKS.
Yeah, I know.
It's really not even that big, but dude. Hell yeah! Our interior is now complete. We have our steering wheel, obviously Vertex wheel, we've had that for a while, but now we have the Mines handbrake, top secret leather boot. All of this together is just Mines and top secret together right next to it. I can't even process that. Then we have the beautiful carbon fiber Nismo shift knob. I got wiped down the screen, that thing's dirty. To go along with all the other carbon fiber that we got here on the center console, and then as well as more top secret freaking boots. And I don't care what you guys say, the seats are staying. The Recaro Confettis, they're legendary. Everything's installed on. We got the buddies over and we're gonna go head over to a meet that we are hosting. I'm hosting, I guess this is technically the second UltraMotive meet. Very much a last second thing, just because I came from Japan and I'm like, I wanna see more cool cars now and I wanna take the Skyline out and show everyone the new stuff and all that. So we'll see how big this meet gets. It's so weird getting used to the new shift knob. It's like this and steering wheels make such a big difference when you're driving on your whole overall experience. But
I fucking love it, bro.
thank you, man. Freaking nice. All right, pulling up here, stacked up. We got the snow in the background. We got the boys. Got really clean Miata, Corvette, some BMWs, Audis, Alfa Romeos. Tim found his Squadron, getting the plate out. Yes. Here at the Ultra Game, we're gonna prove people wrong. You can have meets with snow. We're gonna make it possible one way or another. Andre's pulling up. He's got massive freaking APR wing now on his car. That's one route to go with an RA. Good Lord. This is so sick. Wide body S1s. 911R. Freaking look at the size of this wing. That is obnoxiously cool, and I love it. There's also a really cool freaking Evo.
By the way, sorry, I know you're vlogging.
No, you're good, man. Thank you. Freaking Evo is sick too. I love the red wheels on black paint. Cool guy. E36 track car right here. It's popping. It's popping. It might be freaking below freezing, but it's popping. Hey! Oh. Ah! This car's still not one color yet. Yo! What's up, dude? Bringing a little JDM from freaking Tokyo over here. I love this. Ooh,
Hello there.
This is kind of scary. That's freaking sick. Woo! When the valves open. All right, we're warming up the cars now. We're gonna be heading out here. It was a solid turnout at this meet for a really short notice and nothing really crazy planned, but I mean, so crazy cool. There's a total of 4 R32s that ended up showing up right behind me. See, 2 silver ones, got another gray one way in the back, Maserati. Austin's out here. Anyway, thank you guys for watching another video with the R32 stuff. Stay tuned for more. This is not gonna be the end. This is gonna be JackUltraMotive signing the video off.
Ultra.